Assalamu alaikum. I'm Wasim Akram and you are watching Mechanical Engineering and PTC Creo. In this video, you will learn how to create a bolt in PTC Creo. First, we select a top plane and click on Extrude. Select a reference view and draw a circle. Give dimension, click on OK. Give extrude dimension, click on OK. Select the top plane, click on Extrude. Select a reference view, click on Fillet and drag a heptagon. Okay, now we select a plane, right plane and click on Sketch. Select a reference view and create a line. Click on OK. Select a helical sweep. First, we will select a helix profile. This is helix profile and select helix axis and click on Sketch. Select a reference view. Create a sketch here. Click on OK and remove the material. Now the pitch is we will reduce the pitch into 1. Here is the left hand rule and right hand rule. Now